Dito na tayo sa biyahe, mag-fishing. Matutuloy na rin ang ating pag-fishing. Nagpa-schedule pa doon sa may-ari.
Hug.
May bakasyonista natin. Talagang parang magbubukid. Nakalimutan ko ang aking salakot na ating driver. Okay. Nakalimutan ko yung aking salakot. Oh, talaga sweet naman ni Ben. Oh, tingnan mo naman. Tingnan mo, nakaakap sa kuya. Aba?
Look at the house.
May house sa bundok. So, dito yung papasok. Ito yung tawag nila is country or bukid. Ito malayo to sa mga grocery store, malayo sa lahat. Pero gusto ng mga tao sa ganito. Dahil tahimik. Ayan. Ito ay taniman ng soybeans. Aba, nice house there.
So the supermarket here you go to.
Yeah.
The Walmart.
Or maybe, which one is closer? Owensboro?
No, Jasper or
Jasper.
Santa Claus where Holiday World is. It's pretty close to Holiday World down here. They have holiday foods.
Talaga?
Grocery store.
May Riles din ang trend doon. Mga pa-isa-isang bahay pero malalaki. Ano pala to? Talagang malayo sa Kabiasnan.
Then the hospital is the Ascension. That's the closest.
Ayan, may mga bahay na pa-isa-isa. May pa-isa-isang bahay. Tapos wala na ulit. Super bukid siya. Ayan, may barn na sira. Parang ano lang yung storage lang. Ayan, wala na ulit bahay. Merong isa doon. Malayo. Minsan may mga tao na may USPS, may post. Pero syempre naabot pa rin sila, dinideliver pa rin ang mga sulat gaya nito. Estate sale today. Home with land for sale. So yan yung maalikabok guys. Oh yeah.
See what they got?
Yeah. Can we go? It's today and then.
No, it's too cold.
Not first.
Yeah, later. Ayan guys, maalikabok kasi rough road to. Pag may nauna ay siya. Tapos ito yung postal.
They really live in the countryside.
Yeah. Tama, walang puro
rough road.
Yeah, rough road. Uy, maalikabok.
I don't remember the gravel road.
Oh, nabalot na tayo ng alikabok. Buti na lahat nakasara ang ating mga bintana. Flag na pula. Sabihin yun, yung post. Yun ang state sale doon. Oh, they have little car, oh.
Yeah.
A tractor and all.
Where's the pond? Ito pala yung pond.
Oh, nice.
Dito na pala kami. Tapos yun yung bahay nung kaibigan natin. Ito na guys. Ayan. So ito guys, mabundok.
Oh, wala palang putik. Magchichinelas na lang.
Ayan. Ang ganda na. Galing. Ano gayan? Wow, good job kuya. Wow. Yo, I see in the middle. What is that? Turtle? Ay, dapat doon. Doon dapat, sa kabila. Uy, we should go there. Uy, it's clear there, Baba. It's clear on the other side. Uy, Ben, watch na. Yay! Wait, your boots? Bakit akas dyan? May snake. May snake dyan. Ha? Wala kami huli. Ha? Uy, kuya got something. Ang galing. Ha? Our first fish. Ang galing na kuya. Ha? Bass. Yes. How do you take it? Ikaw, marunong ka magtanggal?
Daddy, I got fish. The first fish of the day.
The first fish of the day. So that's a good ano ha?
Yeah, I fished
Wag baka
over
mo ano ka.
there.
Patay na pala agad.
Daddy,
Hindi,
I got
buhay
a
pa yan. Buhay pa yan.
He really liked my bait. My rubber
Yeah,
fish.
that one. Oh, Ben.
The rubber fish.
Yan. Kapag fish.
What is that? How do you take this out then?
How do you take it?
The first fish of
Yes, kuya.
the day. And we have to fill it with
Kuya, nag-get water. Yeah, ulam ka na ngayon.
Daddy.
Oh, ano pa? You got two? Oh, kuya, it's good. Wow! Oh! Yes! Wow! Wow!
Too small.
Ah, anong ripple? Ah,
It's so big. Oh, hold up. Hold it.
what is a ripple?
I made them like
Like a waves? Ah,
waves.
kahuli agad eh. Hey, hey. Lamang tiyan din yun. Dapat nilabas ko na yung isda doon. Ano? Ko alam kung maunti eh. Nakuha na yung malalaki. Dati malalaki. May 5 pa nga. Yan, dyan. Without the grass.
Why you
Yan, because there's not much moss. Sige nga.
watch out?
Okay.
Baka ubusin.
Mainit. Pag masyadong mainit, ayaw nila. Ikaw. Ayun o, may bubbles yun o. See the bubbles on the left? Wala. On the other side kaya.
Ako nga. How do you do? You press this button and then this goes up. Oh, you didn't press it hard.
You didn't press it harder.
Okay.
And the release when I throw it.
Yeah. That's how you do it. Then you would I want to go to over there.
Which one?
Over.
Okay, let's go over there.
You have to keep reeling until the rubber fish touches the end of the stick. Ito, baby girl ha.
Release. Ako uli. Ay, walang nakagat. Masyadong mainit. One more. Uy, nako, baby boy. Okay, balik na lang tayo.
Oh.
Hoy, hoy, hoy! Another one! Maliliit. Pero okay pa rin. Hey, wait. Wait. It might let go.
Fish. No.
Wait. It's okay. It's okay. Wait!
Let me,
Okay. Ito nga, meron nga. Ayan. Alright. Oh, magaling si Kuya na. Daddy, one more. Come on, let's bring it there.
Fish, this is my third one.
That's the third one. Gali.
Daddy.
Patingin. Wow. Ayan. Ay, dito baby girl. Ko talagang.
Proud of myself.
Wow, first catch.
First fish ever?
Yeah, ever.
Yeah, forever. Ito pa dito sa. Ayan guys, umulan kanina. So ngayon, balik uli kami. Babalik uli. Ay, nakakatch si sister ng 3 malalaking isda. Ayan guys, nabot na kami ng ulan. May tila na. So ngayon, balik ulit tayo. So yun, may nakatch si kapatid na 3 isda. Okay guys, balik tayo ulit. Dito kami sa loob ng sasakyan. Electric fan, ang init. Uy. Okay. Mag-enjoy naman sa pagka-catch. Okay. Okay. Medyo maambong pa rin, pero matitikas ang mga mangingisda. Nagdala tayong basurahan. Nagdala rin ako ng sandwich, ng mga soda at tubig. Meron kaming konting ref dito.
Freezer?
Yeah, freezer yan yung. Uy, may watermelon pa. At saka tubig and ice cream pa tayo. Okay. May konting ref.
Too big.
Tubig yan, that's too big. Talagang mga wala kang ano pag naahasang ka dyan. Naku, nabasa. Okay guys, balik ulit. Mga bata, enjoy sila eh. Alright, may huli. Dito tayo. Wow, that's nice. All bass ha. Wow. Ang dami na nating huli. Tatanggalan ko na rin ano, yung damo-damo. Yan. Tatanggalan ko ng dumi-dumi. Ari, yung ano, oh, malaki siya, guys. Ano? Malaki. Madumi kasi may damo. Natanggalan ko siya. Ano pa ditong malalaki ito. Ayan pa sila, tumila na ang ulan. So, talagang oh, tiny one. Oh. Ah, he wants to try na. Ito naman, baby girl, swap kayo.
That one.
The same.
No, it's not the same. So first, you put the
Ako ang, supervisor, manager ng mga na. Oh, ito mga tutubi guys dito. Ang ganda. Itim tapos may puting kakaiba yung tutubi dito. Ayun hindi ko. Ang ganda ng tutubi. Kakaiba. Kakaiba eh. Ayun. Tutubi ba kakaiba yun?
yeah. Like this.
Wow. Yan. Naturuan kung paano. Ayun, nakahuli na naman. Dami ang nahuli nito ah. Ilan na nahuli mo? Mga 7?
Dami.
Dami. Means a lot.
Dami.
She catch a lot already.
I know.
Parang maliit.
Dami.
Daming nahuli. Baka baka maliit or is this okay? Bebe? Kind of small, no?
So cute. Hey, guys.
Let it go.
Let it grow. Let it grow. Let it grow.
Let him go.
Yeah, Ben, you know how?
Let
I'll
it
show you.
go.
Come here.
Let him
I'll show you how to let go of a fish. So you hold it. Yan, and then unhook it.
Unhook it. Hi, fishy.
Unhook, push down.
Do you
Yan.
like me? I'm letting you go.
May dumig. Ayan, sige butoy. Ako na nga. Ayun! Uy, may isang gustong kumawala. Ben, kunin mo nga.
John Kawali!
Lechong kawali. Ben, sige, dali. Put it back. It will die. Can you catch it? You know how to catch it?
I want you.
Come on, that's the biggest one. Okay. Two hands
So
yan.
cute.
Yan. Okay. So, to. Ben, ha? So, the hook is there. So, you push it down. You know.
Going through his eye.
No, the mouth only.
It's by his eye.
As Ben, throw it back.
Throw you, little cute.
Kasi pag maliit kasi, kailangang ibalik.
Hey, look me.
Pag maliit. Sige, two hands. Dali, it will die. Two hands. Go, throw. Wow! Good job. Hugas mo na tayong kamay dito.
I threw him in the air.
Bilangin natin guys, kasi lalagyan natin sa supot. Isa. Wow, malaki oh. 2. Ay! 3. 4. 5.
5 na yun.
Uy, hindi 4 pa. 5. 6. 7. 8. Huwag ka naman dumig. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Akala ko ang dami. 13. Ay! 13. Akala ko 20. 13 only. I know, I thought it's 25. Lagyan natin ang konting tubig. And then, para wag masyado madami dito.
I don't have any more fish.
Yeah. I think it's thinned out already.
It's too hot. It might go deeper when it's hot.
Yan. Oh. Ayan. Okay. Alright.
Hindi.
Ay, naku. Lagyan mo na lang dyan sa loob. 13, no?